Namshwar children, do you love to watch birds and butterflies? I'm sure you will love them. Have you seen ants walking in the garden? And have you seen them walking in a line? Are they talking to each other sometimes? What are they talking? So, do you think that they do have parents? Do they rush to their parents when they are in danger? Yes, animals also look after the young ones, and they also look after them till they are big enough to look after themselves. Here in this lesson, we have a small snail. Snail, his name is Sunu Sunu. His name is Sunu Sunu, and he is going to the garden. There are some friends waiting for him, and after reaching the garden, they face a big storm suddenly. So here we have a lesson, a storm in the garden, a storm in the garden. Do you want to see him? Do you want to see Sunu Sunu, the snail? I'm sure you will love watching him. Here we have the small garden here, and in this garden we'll look out for Sunu Sunu. Where is the Sunu Sunu sitting? Oh, what can you see there? There, can you see flowers? Can you see an earthworm? And then here there is Sunu Sunu, the snail. Can you see him? This is Sunu Sunu, the snail. And there his friend is coming. Who's there? That is the ant. And his friend is ant. And then what they are doing here, you can see some other worms also. So many things are living around which go unnoticed by us. Here, before going to the lesson, we'll read a few new words. Here we have first a snail. What is this? Feelers. 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 A snail senses with his feelers. Feelers. It can sense around with the help of its feelers. Here, crawl. 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 A baby is crawling. A baby is crawling. Then crashed. A car crashed into a wall. A car crashed into a wall. And here, lightning. 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 A great white light in the sky. When clouds come and touch each other, sometimes lightning comes out of it. They bang at each other and lightning comes, white light in the sky, and a big sound comes, that is thunder. So thunder and lightning comes together. And what is this? It's a storm. There was a storm yesterday, and the trees were moving this way and that way. They were shaking very badly. Storm, Storm, storm. Now we'll see what happens to Sunu Sunu. So he is out in the garden, and who's there with him? His friend is there. His friend, who's his friend? His friends are ants. Ants are there with him. And we'll see what happens next. So Sunu Sunu is the snail was visiting his friends, the ants. Sunu Sunu the snail was visiting his friends, the ants. When you meet your friend, what will you do? You want to hold them tightly and then you will roll around. You want to crawl under him, you will climb all over him, and you show your love to each other. And during Corona time, you are missing your friends, crawling and climbing all over them very badly. I know. But here, Sunu Sunu is meeting his friends, and what are the friends doing? Friends are climbing all over him, climbing all over him and crawling under him. They're crawling under him. Suddenly, there was a loud thunder. What is loud thunder? A big noise in the sky. There was lightning. There was lightning too. A great white light crashed through the clouds. Suddenly, a very big loud sound came, and there was a light coming through the sky, flashed through the sky, through the clouds. Sunu Sunu got scared. He was afraid. He was afraid. He quickly pulled in his head. So when the thunder and lightning comes, we want to run inside our house. Here, Sunu Sunu is having his shell, and he's putting his head into his shell, and he's pulling his tail also into his shell. Sunu Sunu sat very still. He sat still under his shell. So he's safe inside the shell. He's carrying his home on his back, and he is safe inside his shell when thunder and lightning came. Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew around. So it became dark suddenly, and the crows were flying around. Ka ka, ka ka, a loud sound they are making. So the crows are making a big noise. They want to find shelter, and they are flying here and there. Oh, but where were the ants? Where were the ants? Where did they go? Sunu Sunu is coming to search for them. Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. He's looking for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. The ants were hiding under a flower pot. So here there is a flower pot and they are hiding underneath. Go home, Sunu Sunu. The ants cried out. Go home, Sunu Sunu. The ants cried out. Hurry, hurry. Your mother will worry. Your mother will be worrying from there. And do you want to see his mother? Where is Sunu Sunu's mother? Here. His mother is here. His mother is here somewhere. Do you want to see his mother? We'll search for his mother here somewhere. So we'll search for his mother. His mother is worried, and then his mother is looking for him. His mother is looking for him. So here his mother is waiting, and mother is looking out for him. We'll search for his mother. Here is Sunu Sunu's mother. This is Sunu Sunu's mother. She is waiting for him. And then what are the ants telling him? Ants are telling him, go home, Sunu Sunu. The ants cried out, hurry, hurry. Your mother will worry. Your mother will worry. So the ants are asking him to go home. So children, what was the name of the snail in the lesson? What was the name of the snail? The name of the snail is Sunu Sunu. And he was visiting someone. Who were they? They were the ants. Who were his friends? His friends were the ants. And what came suddenly? Suddenly what happened? When they were playing in the garden, what happened? Suddenly they heard a loud thunderstorm came. A loud thunder and lightning, and suddenly a storm came. And what did Sunu Sunu do when a storm came? He pulled in his head and he pulled in his tail. He pulled in his head inside his shell and he pulled in his tail. What did the crows do? The crows were flying around and they were finding a place to be safe. They were flying around. What noise did they make? They made the big noise, ka noise they were making. And where did the ants hide? The ants were hiding under a flower pot. They were hiding under a flower pot. And what did they tell Sunu Sunu? Go home, hurry. Your mother will worry. Your mother will worry. So go home, hurry. That's what the friends told him. And then, do you think, children, what are they doing? All the living things are living happily and living in tune with nature. Are they causing any harm to nature? No, they are not doing any harm to nature. They are living happily in tune with nature. What are the bees doing? The bees around, what are they doing? They are collecting honey. They're collecting nectar and turning it into honey. What are the butterflies doing? They are changing flowers to fruits. The bees are also helping to turn the flowers to fruits. What is the earthworm doing? The earthworm is bringing the soil on top and making the soil rich and good. What are the birds doing? The birds are also helping to take seeds to far off places. They are also helping to turn flowers to fruits. Like all animals are doing their duty. They are not harming nature at all. They are all doing their duty as well as they can. And then what should we do, children? We also must do our duty. We must protect nature. We must look after nature. And then nature will also be very happy. So we have to learn many things from animals like Sunusunu. We have to learn many things from ants. Ants are teaching us to be disciplined, always working very hard. And they are very disciplined also. They will go only in a straight line. They will be always carrying food and do many things good for nature. So like that, all animals are living in happily in tune with nature. Amma or Amritandamai, Amma is also asking us to be in tune with nature, do our duty, do our dharma, and be happily, live happily with nature. Children, will you also do your duty and look after nature and live without causing harm to anybody? Yes, then our world will be a very happy and a better place. Nam Shivaya, children. Nam Shivaya.